Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts. It is the Market Beast Napoleon Macro. This video will be about one entry level on PayPal. Yes, what we're going to do is explore the last video post as we were incorrect on our thesis, but let's revisit the charts and give you an alternative buy-in level, not financial advice. So stick around. Let's go over that very briefly. So let's get into it, guys. Welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we only explore price action. Thanks for sticking around, my loyal subscribers. Let's go ahead and dive into the charts here, shall we? Today's January the 10th, 2024, and the previous close of PayPal, $58.91, slightly positive 4.9% for the close. Okay. PYPL is the instrument. Hopefully you guys doing well. Let's pull up the charts. All right, so right off the bat, guys, let's be very clear. On our last video post, here's what we were exploring on PayPal, the falling wedge pattern. And, we found the price target and everything. Let's just go ahead and be fully transparent. I was wrong. Okay, let's scratch this falling wedge out. Okay, it's null and void. All right, I just wanted to make sure that we are very clear about that. I toot when I'm correct. And of course, if I'm incorrect, that's fine. Let's just revisit the drawing board here. So with that being said, the drawing board will be without that falling wedge. And we have two lines on the chart. The alternative level that I said, the only level that we'll go over, we'll actually go over two levels very briefly here, guys. So the alternative buy-in level in your sim account, of course, not financial advice, guys, is the blue line, which is about $53. Now, this is the way that I was trained. We're looking at weekly candles, and that would be the technical buy-in level. Like literally, if the market ever were to even touch this level, it's an instant buy-in. The actual level is about $53.13 and change. Okay, so I just wanted to explore that with you guys. I do not have a time frame in which this would happen. I'm not 100% if this would actually happen. Maybe the falling wedge is legitimate. I just want to get clear my name and let everyone know that, yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and pull out of that, backpedal on that thesis with a falling wedge, and of course, revert to the alternative level here, okay? Remember, long-term investors, you're just simply, hopefully, dollar cost averaging ever so often as you, of course, enter in this market, because PayPal is actually down about 80% from the all-time highs. So as far as timing your entry, stuff of that nature, I'm not sure, what your average is, but yeah, it's like 81% down from the highs. The highs at about $309-ish. Yeah, you should just be literally buying however your investment strategy suggests. What is it? Weekly, monthly, whatever. These are the levels where you should see value, okay, for your mid to long-term investment strategy. So there you have it, guys. The red line is just a level where I just kind of backed out, and I was noticing that that's kind of that level where, when we go over like multiple touch points. So if ever the market does continue lower and there is some sort of consolidative phase where the market wants to turn around and move higher, then it's likely this level will be the first level, almost guaranteed to enter. Oh, sorry. That is the level it would more than likely reach. Maybe it'll have a little hesitation at that level, but I do think that if it eventually moves to that level and through that level, then as a midterm, long-term investor, you should be pretty excited as to what could take place next, because I do think that well above $100 or like $120 would not be an issue for PayPal if it makes it up to the $82 level. Did I say the level? That red line is $82.15, okay? About $82, okay? I do see that as a pretty interesting level as far as a price target if you're like short term, like short to mid, because I still think that as PayPal is under a lot of sell pressure, it appears, right? There hasn't been any evidence of it making any new highs. So that's generally what I look for before I even start to try and participate in any market. But this little small structure, as far as what I'm seeing, is enough information for me to say yes, that the 53.13 level is a level you can just literally put a, limit order there in your sim account, please, and just, have at least a first entry at that level. Okay, guys, remember, determine your stop outs, determine your investment strategy, and follow through with that. I'm never giving you guys advice as far as like, what to do with your portfolios. It's just an interesting story that I come up with the graphs that I'm pulling up in the charts. Okay, so hopefully this video is good. Again, no time frame, just look for that 5313 level as a potential entry, and yeah, just pretty much play the market, or yeah, just take that information as you will. All right, so let's see how that ages. Total transparency, guys, I'm not investing in PayPal. I would like to, if it goes down to that $53 level. Let's put a little alert there. And if it does happen, then yeah, maybe I'll, put some money in this market. I'm not sure yet, but that's all we have for now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the update. Hopefully you have the levels. No time frame. Yes, good. Out we go. So if you don't mind doing me a huge favor before you go, by simply leaving an appropriate thumb, I'd appreciate it on the video if you enjoyed the content. And hopefully we're clear. I was wrong about the falling wedge critics. All right, they're in the comment section sometimes. And leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video on the channel. Thank you for your continued support. If you guys are new, we also explore the alternative market. If you're into that, Bitcoin, Dogecoin for now, you can kindly join us here on this interesting journey, and we'll send it out to you momentarily. Welcome in. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you all for your time. Remember, guys, always have a strategy before you enter the market. Keep that positive energy flowing. We'll talk soon, and bye for now, guys and gals.